Mahatma Gandhi expressed it beautifully when he said, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." This isn't just a beautiful quote. It's a profound wisdom. It's a critical life lesson, and it's a pathway to a better existence, a better world. Now, that all sounds very nice, and you might be thinking, how can a quote lead us to a better world? That's a good question. So let's explore. Let's step back a moment and think about our true inner selves, that energetic, non-existent, yet infinitely existent being that we are inside. We're all capable of emitting divine light, but this takes practice in truly seeing everything as connected. It takes practice to being kind to everyone and everything, to treat all of life as if it were a part of you, of course, which it is. Now, we all experience glimmers of emitting divine light, some more than others and some longer than others. So until we hit the threshold in our evolution where we ourselves actually emanate divine light from within going out, the best we can do for now is to reflect the divine light we experience around us. This reflection helps not only ourselves, but others. How do we get to experience that divinity? Through what we focus on. What we focus on is what's attracted to us, like a magnet or moths to a flame. What we place our real feeling and importance upon is what we attract. And then we reflect whatever we attract. We can see that reflection manifesting in our material lives, in our physical world. So being the change we wish to see is more than a platitude. It's instruction, and instruction we'd all benefit from if we follow it. We may not all be able to walk each step of our lives with that same divinity as the masters and gurus who came before us did, but we can sure try, even if it's just a little bit. Let's focus on the love, joy, and peace we naturally have within us, so it reflects back outward into our world. And perhaps we may find ourselves in this pursuit actually shining and emitting that love, joy, and peace as the creators we are from within instead of just reflecting it. Thank you so much for your time. Keep shining that beautiful light of yours, and big love.